Chapter 8, lesson number 7, solve one-step inequality. One-step inequality means we are going to do one step, means if the inequality is addition, we will do subtraction. If it's subtraction, we will do addition. If it's multiplication, we will do division. If it's division, we will do multiplication. Like this problem, for example, as you can see, solve the inequality x plus 7 greater than or equal to 10. So we have here the left hand side is x plus 7 and the right hand side is 10. And this is addition inequality, so we subtract 7 from both sides. Now 7 is gone, so x remains with the inequality sign. 10 minus 7 is 3, and now you can represent. Also the same for this one. This is subtraction inequality, so you are going to do addition. You add 3 for both sides, so this 3 is gone, now x remains. 9 plus 3, 12, so x is smaller than 12. As if we are solving equation, the only difference that we don't have equal sign. Maybe we have smaller, we have greater, smaller than or equal, greater than or equal, according to each problem. So let's solve problem A. This is addition inequality, so minus 2 minus 2. So here n, just the n, smaller than or equal to. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we make a shaded circle for 3. And going to the left. Smaller than. We'll go to the left. And we will shade all the part to the left of 3. So in problem A, n is smaller than or equal to 3. Problem B, this is subtraction inequality, so you will use addition, plus 3 plus 3. Now, y remains alone in the left hand side, greater than 9 plus 3 is 12. So we will make an open circle for 12, open circuit. We don't have here or equal sign. Going to the right. And we are going to shade all the part to the right of 12. So final answer is y greater than 12. In problem C, 10x means 10 multiplied by x. 10x is smaller than 80, so we're going to divide it 10. Divide it 10. And this will give, plus 10 is gone. So this will give x smaller than 80 over 10 means 80 divided 10 means 8. X smaller than 8, we make open circle, going to the left, smaller than, going to the left. And we will shade all the part to the left of it. X over 6, over means division. Over means division, so we multiply. 6 multiplied by 7 directly. So x here remains alone, greater than or equal. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. So x greater than or equal to 42, we make shaded circle. Moving all the way to the right. And we are going to shade all the part to the right of 42. And don't forget to write it here. X is greater than or equal to 42. In the guided practice, problem number 1, h minus 6 is greater than or equal to 15. So this is subtraction inequality. And we are going to use addition to solve it. So minus 6, we will do plus 6 for both sides. I take a comma to continue on the same line. Now, positive 6 will cancel negative 6, or plus 6 will cancel minus 6. So h remains alone in the left-hand side. We keep the inequality sign is the same. 13 plus 6 will give you 19. Now we need to show that h is really greater than or equal to 19. Let's say that this is 19. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, before 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. This is enough. And we will make a shaded circle for 19, shaded because we have here or equal sign. So this is shaded circle. And we are going to take line to the right because this is greater than. And we will shade all the part to the right of 19. Five y greater than 30, problem number 2. 5y means 5 multiplied by y. So in this case, we are going to use division. So over 5 over 5. You can say over, you can say divide. It is up to you. Now this 5 got cancelled. Now I'll take a comma to continue on the same line. Now y remains alone. Inequality sign the same, bigger than. 30 divided by 5, this will give you 6. So y is bigger than 6. Let's say that this is 6. So here is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's not necessarily to reach 0, so you leave it this way. Now, circle for 6, and it is not shaded because we don't have here or equal sign. Y bigger than 6, so we go to the right, all the way to the right. And don't forget to make an arrow and to shade all the numbers to the right of 6. Problem number 3. Joanna's parents give her $10 per week for lunch. for lunch money. $10 per week for lunch money. She cannot decide whether she wants to buy or pack her lunch. If a hot lunch at school costs $2, write and solve an inequality to find the maximum number of times per week Joanna can buy her lunch. So this is the variable. As I told you, you must search for the variable in the problem. And the variable really exists in the question. Means I'm saying write and solve an equality to find what? The maximum number of times per week Joanna can buy her lunch. So if I say that the number of lunches she can buy is X or N or whatever. So this $2 multiplied by this X should be smaller than or equal to $10 because this is the maximum amount she has. So we cannot exceed $10. That's why we said smaller than or equal to 10. Now, this is a multiplication inequality. We can use division to solve it. So I divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So 2 got cancelled. So x remains smaller than or equal to 5. Means she can buy 5 times. She can buy 5 times or less. And she can buy 2, 3, 4, 5 lunch, but she cannot buy 6, for example. And so on. Now, problem number 4. Kino's Pizza charges $9 for a cheese pizza. Eileen has $45 to buy pizza for the Spanish club. Write and solve an inequality to find the maximum number of pizza that Eileen can buy. Also, I told you the variable is hidden in the question. Find what the maximum number of pizza that Eileen can buy. So let's say that this number that Eileen can buy is X. So the price of one is 9. So 9x smaller than or equal to 45. Also, we are going to divide here by 9. Divide by 9 for both sides. So x remains alone because 9 got cancelled with division. And now smaller than or equal sign the same. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So she can buy 5 pizzas, $9 each. She can buy 5 pizzas with the $45. She can buy 9 or less. 9 or less. But she cannot buy 10, for example. So that's it for our lesson for today. If you have a question, you can write it down in comments.